Corey here. I'm going to show you how I keep my knives sharp this evening. This is a Lansky kit, comes in a little box. It's got, it starts with coarse, which is a 70 grit, goes down to 120, 280, 800, and then a 1000 grit, which is the ultra fine. So I'm going to show you how it works. So this is a cheap Schrade brand knife. That I keep in my truck. There it is. And even cheap knives like this is nothing special. You put a good edge on it and it can be pretty functional. This is a knife that lives in a zippered pouch in my truck for opening packages and boxes and things. And I'm going to mount it up. So this bracket here, just going to load the knife in on the spine. Alright, so once the knife is mounted to the bracket, you just slip this in the vise. So the knife is mounted in the bracket's mounted to the vise, nice and tight, and then you load the stones up, and they come with these extra rods, and the rods go into the different angles. Alright, I'm in the 20 degree, and I got a little drop of oil on my stone, and this keeps your angle consistent all the way across the blade. I usually count 10 across, so that's 4. And then you just turn the knife over. And then work your way down to the finer stones. That was the 280, now we're working on to the 600. Alright, I'm now on the 1000 grit ultra fine. I was convinced that this was the best way to sharpen knives. This one's real smooth, just pretty much puts a polish on it. I've sharpened all of our kitchen knives with this, and I thought this was about the best thing. You can get this Lansky for about 50 bucks. I think I bought this at Bass Pro Shop. They have it on Amazon, and I'm sure Cabela's has it too. I was convinced this is the best there was, and it's great for pocket knives. But I found something even better, and I ordered it, and it won't be here until November, which is still a couple weeks away. This knife didn't need much, it just needed a new edge, so I started at the medium, working my way down. So YouTube says it's not sharp unless it can cut paper. No problems there.